Best wedding ever. Congrats, Bets and Don! Hi, vlog! Now we're in Catch the King.
This is the Bets wedding.
Best wedding ever. Maaga pa kami pinakauna. Dito kami sa kasal ni Bets. Hi!
Wait, nagpa-fog pa yung salamin.
Siyempre, aba yan eh. Oh. Nagutom. Bumili ng pa-lunch. Kain muna. Quick kain lang.
Abe yan.
Ito, this is. Hi, sis. I love your dress. Kumain ka na?
Yes, sis.
Hi!
Hindi, bakal.
Sama na iwan.
Hindi kami nag-lunch eh. At breakfast. Oh my gosh, reunion! Hi, Dolly! Hi, Andrew!
Kamusta?
So, ang tagal neto. Sis! Ayan nata si Bets. Hi, Bets! Andrew! Ate May, Roger, Rob. Ano, pasok na tayo? Pasok na tayo? May jowa na yan. Ay! Hi, Mom Shim! Sinag? Ah, wala.
Hello, Mami Kat. Ay, Mami, nandun pala ako. Si Angie na rin siya.
Saya-saya. Tara, pasok na tayo.
Hanap ng asawa mo yung coat niya.
Oh.
Tingnan mo, suot niya.
Ay, ganyan talaga yan. Kala niya ata hawak ko. Ay, nakapawisin. Alam mo naman pawisin, di pa nagdala ng electric fan.
Dito ako tatambay.
O, tara na, pumasok na kasi tayo. Mag-receive na tayo. Oh, ito po ang church.
Laki naman ni Jesus.
Let me be your light, your safe. No one will find you. Your fears are far behind you. All I want is freedom, a world with no more night, and you always beside me to hold me and to guide me.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Honey, say hi. Say hi.
Hi, Nino.
If you have a wheelchair ramp at your 20th anniversary party, I will come to that.
Oh, yeah. I'll invite you
But
there.
I'll need a wheelchair ramp probably. Hi, vlog.
This is not casual. This is forced labor. We are being forced to record.
Welcome to my vlog.
Humarap na kayo.
Pak, naging relative si Roger.
Pak naging pinsan.
Sobrang lapit sa couple. Kala mo naman immediate family.
Update lang. So, Starbucks muna kami while waiting. Kasi, 1 to 3 yung wedding, no? Tapos, 6 pa yung reception. Dito muna kami sa Greenbelt. Katabi lang na sa reception.
New World.
New World, Makati. Anyways, dito muna kami.
Please check your table assignment by surname, alphabetically arranged. Meron na po.
Dito tayo. UV Mia Vicencio 31 and Carlos. Sino si Carlos Vicencio?
Saan ako?
31.
31 ako.
Refund na po. Meron na po. Meron.
Lim Sue Wedding. Wow. Carl. Smoked ham.
Okay.
Hindi sila 31 eh.
Ano, kumain ko. Kinain ko. Kinakain mo yung bulaklak? Ano si Carl? Ay, ice cream ko rin. Ito. Ano to?
Savory chorizo.
Pwede ako.
Sabi ni, sino bang nagsabi?
Ano?
Nabagay si Bea dun. Sa entourage.
Ikaw? Ay, ako ba?
Yung... Pare-pares kasi kayo medyo ano.
Parang hindi ako nagsabi.
Grabe ang init.
Kakain ka. Ano na? Ay, ano ba yun? Meron pa dun. Ang sarap nito.
Di ba yan? Parang bacon.
Ano ba tawag ito? Hindi ko natanong. Ano tawag ito? Chorizo pie.
Kasi nagsabi.
Ooh! Ano to ate?
Seared tuna po.
Carl! Kain ma? Wala, ang dami. Parang nabubusog na ako. Wala, ang dami. Meron pa akong hindi natikman eh. Parang may parang roll. Sarap. Fresh. Tikman mo na? Sarap, di ba?
Ano yan?
Ano siya yung
Tuna?
pwedeng ibilin? Kasi masyado maraming
Sarap. Eh, pangatlo mo na yan.
na isang bawal yung pinag.
Parang gusto mo mag-picture sa photo booth.
Ay, sige po. Kain na kami.
Hindi niyo po kasama dito yung vegetable roll, ma'am.
Hindi. Oh, ito. Vegetable roll.
Ano yan? I don't know. Nakatry na.
Vegetable roll.
Sarap. Tissue, ma'am.
Kanan din.
Ano lang na rin?
Vegetable roll.
Sarap din.
Parang may spice.
Gusto ko yung salmon. Ay, yung tuna.
Hapon mo.
Pinakain yung fry. Ate, may tuna pa. Tuna ba yun? Tuna po.
Gusto mo ba yun?
Sige po. Tuna. Yung tuna, masarap. Thank you, ate.
Ay, masasarap ko ba?
Ay, mas masarap to.
Mas
Uy, masarap to. Mas masarap yan. Andrew, kuha ka, masarap. Uy, tikman mo. Ate May, tikman mo yun. Masarap. Wow! Dennis, say hi to my vlog.
this okay?
Yes.
I promise not to bite, Robert. Actually, technically, you can kick back now, right? Because I'm not your boss, so you can just kick me or hit me.
I'm hungry, so I don't have a lot of minutes. Are you like settled there?
I don't know. I've been there for a year.
Oh,
I don't like it very much.
Why? Thai food is very yummy.
It's very crowded.
oh yeah.
In the busy season, it has almost Manila traffic. Not really, but almost. It's easier than driving here because so like when you leave Manila and you go to the province, all the houses are built. Here's the road. The houses are built like this.
Yeah.
Okay, in Thailand they don't do that. They build them back so that people don't walk on the road. They don't dry rice on the road. So it's easier driving there because you don't have to worry about hitting people as bad.
Because I thought this is like a new fish building.
Actually, it's actually pretty old. I think the building is like 30 years. But they've remodeled and taken good care of it.
Oh, okay. I didn't need.
So the rooms are nice. And the rooms are almost, honestly, the rooms are almost the same as what I used to stay in Shanghai.
Yeah.
I mean, they look the same to me. But it's 1/3 the price.
Mr. and Mrs. Dawn and Bettina Lim. Once again, a round of applause for the Wow, this is good, guys. Such a must for us to get to witness Dawn and Bettina's first dance together as husband and wife. I know you guys have been waiting for this.
Keeps my heart beating wild when you're here by my side, and we're dreaming.
Oh, wow. Grabe, no?
Ano yun, mga Park Tower sa tunay na may pa ganun ba si Coral?
Oh, wala.
Pig.
Pig and jellyfish. Sarap. I like it. Mahilig ako sa Chinese food eh.
Sarap. Kuha mo pa ako, Carl.
Kuha ko sa'yo. Sarap.
Ano sa inyo?
Mapano sa inyo.
Just, kumusta ka dyan?
But I think this one.
I love food. Ano nga talaga?
Allergic pala ako dito.
Hindi, maggamot ka na lang.
Okay na.
Ay, di ako mahiya kayo.
Amen na lang. Okay na.
Oo, picture niya. Kayo.
Picture?
Ayan, couple. Iba, couple. Sige, sweet tayo. Something sweet. Sandal ka na lang mo doon sa kanya. Ayan. Perfect. Close up yan. Ayan. Ilan mo yung tayo? Ayan. Ayan. O, pipili ng partner ah. Sige, sige, sige. Ayan.
Para kami family, no?
Ayan pa yan. Ayan. Perfect. Tawanan niyo na lang yung camera. Normal na tama. Ganun lang. Okay. Bibilang ang tatlo. Bibilang ang tatlo. Account of 3 and then... Wait. Closer lang. Closer muna tayo. Ayan. And then 3, 2, 1. Sige, tawa.
Congratulations, boss. Oh, sis, ang ganda-ganda. Ay,
sumabit kayo.
Ganda.
Ganda.
Saan yung asawa ko? Ricardo.
Carl, inahano.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Si Bella,